2015 Ballon d'Or Awards.
I've got another invoice for you.
Now is not ego time.
Oh.
Pardon, this year, instead of giving the award to the player who has given FIFA's the biggest donation, it will be decided by a rap battle. So, let's decide who will win the FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Rio and Portugal.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Lionel Messi, Barcelona and handball Argentina.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Montagsmar, Barcelona and Brazil.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or. FYI, don't lie or I call the FBI.
It's so clear, it's so easy to see. The best player in the world this year was me. More goals,
Bullshit.
more goals laid on. I've got medals hanging everywhere. 5 trophies I've won.
I've won 5 trophies too. No one cares about you. Get the out of my face.
Suarez should have got your place this year was MS and not BBC. His gadget by me, I'm having liver with some corrupt have-beens and an FD.
This rap battle is lame, you cattle and dicks. Let's settle who wins with some penalty kicks.
How about a fight if we're out rapping you like some shady? Cause I've heard he can't even beat a banner lady.
Let's do it like the movies. Congrats, you won a Razzie. Your actors too, I see.
Great cast.
Who's he? You're on the way out in both senses, I see.
You're threatened by bail, so you're salting off to PSG.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
How is Rafat, the manager you had sacked?
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
12 months ago, fact, you nearly had Enrique sacked.
FIFA's Ballon d'Or.
Hey, boss, take your knife out of my back.
Who wins the FIFA's Ballon d'Or? The votes are nearly in. Who is going to win? The winner of the 2015 Ballon d'Or award is Michel Platini.
Oh, goddamn you, Blatter.
Oh, he's such a douchebag.
Who's really going to win? Comment below. This